receive on time. We always like to remind parties cell phones must be switched off or on silent mode. During the hearing, unnecessary movement or disruption when the court is in session is discouraged. However, parties or counsel or even the bench are however permitted to take health breaks during proceedings as the need may arise without disrupting the continuity of the submissions. And during these individual breaks, the proceedings will proceed. Even if I want to walk out, don't think the proceedings have stopped. They will proceed. The media present, we have already issued the media guidelines that must be observed all the time. Given the immense public interest in the proceedings, we have allowed media houses to run broadcasts, live broadcasts to enable Kenyans to follow the process from any part of the country and even beyond. We urge members of the public to follow the court proceedings from the comfort of their homes or offices through their television and stream broadcasts without the need of coming to court physically. This is particularly informed by the reality that due to the limited space within the court premises, we can only accommodate a limited number of persons to attend the proceedings in person. Consequently, we have restricted physical access to the court premises only to the persons who have been accredited as parties, counsel, or court personnel. We will also urge the counsel, when you're making your submissions, any references made to the material. You can see the voluminous nature of the files. They are still in our chambers. Please, we ask you to specify the bundle and the page that you'll be referring to for ease of reference. If there is any electronic presentation to be made, we would kindly request that it is provided to the registrar of the court 30 minutes before the commencement of the day's hearing. As I have said before, court number 1 has been prepared as a spillover room to accommodate parties and the advocates. We are also reminded by the Ministry of Health to continue reminding ourselves of the COVID-19 protocols and regulations which will apply in the course of the proceedings. We urge parties to cooperate and comply with these directions. I think that is all from the court.
Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, Your Leadership, my lords, judges of the Supreme Court, I think there is one matter, Chief Justice, there is one issue that was raised by my colleague, Professor Githu Muigai, regarding the correct team of lawyers legitimately representing the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. This honorable court is aware that there is an application which was filed, I believe, fairly late last night and was arrested